Good day, everyone. Learn how to add section in Google Form or how to add section in Google Form. So firstly, you need to open the browser and log into your form. And once you're here, and if you want to add any section, you need to click on the last thing here. You will have this button, 6 button. Once you click on that, you will have this section, add section, right here. The moment I click on that, you see the section again. So it is section 1 and it is section 2. Now here you can mention whatever you want to, and if you click on this 3 dots, either you can delete it, you can move, you can duplicate, and you can merge with above. Now the moment I click on merge with above, it's going to be added and merged with this, right? And if you want to delete it or undo it, you can do that by simply pressing Ctrl Z, and you have the section right there, and you can delete that as well. So this is how you can create or add section in Google Form. You can also merge and delete section. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.